recognition of participation during the District Press Conference. Special recognition of participation during the District Festival of Talents. Outstanding performance in athletics as representative for the Cebu Provincial Team for long jump. Outstanding performance in Communication Arts English. Outstanding performance in Communication Arts Filipino. Outstanding performance in Science. Outstanding performance in Mathematics. Outstanding performance in Technical Vocational Education. Outstanding performance in Social Studies. Outstanding performance in Performing Arts. Outstanding performance in Athletics. Leadership Awardee, Service Awardee, and Senior Girl Scout Award.